Hi, I'm Ginger Burr from Total Image Consultants, and it's time for another front porch catwalk. And today let's talk about sleeves. And I'm talking about sleeves that either come at the wrong length, they're too long, they're in between, something wacky about them, or you just don't like that length. And what can you do about it? Yes, you can go to a tailor, and I'm a big advocate of tailors, but sometimes, I get cold. So sometimes I want to keep my sleeves on the longer side, but I want the option of being able to push them up, and if they won't stay up, that just gets annoying. So, no, these are not bracelets. What they are is sleeve bands, and what you do is you put them on up above your elbow, and then you just loop these over the top until you get your sleeve at the length you want it. And you can see the difference here. I like a lifted sleeve, brings focus to the waist area, which I love, and I know this is now at my Fashion Fit formula length. And if I put them both on, you can see how it just looks balanced, it's easy, it's actually pretty comfortable, and you've taken care of that issue without having to tailor. So take a look.